Everyone needs a guide, a friend, and a mentor. My name is Ben Humble, and over the last few years, I've been pouring into people, helping them in their life circumstances, in their health, in the domain of wealth, in their relationships, and in the pursuit of a purpose-driven life. I was so blessed to achieve financial freedom early in life, and I've been married for over 14 years. And I love pouring into people to see them win. And here's what I've learned about people, is that they do need help. The reason I'm coming to you today isn't just to teach you something about money and business and relationships, but it's to reach you. It's to reach the corners of the soul where the spoken word does not get to sometimes. It's to reach you in the message that you are worthy and you are good. And this message is so important because there's so many people struggling with isolation and depression and anxiety. There has never been more mental illness and anxiety than right now in a world of social media where comparison is everything. A lot of people are reverting back to isolation and living a life full of fear. But I'm here to bring hope back. Is that okay? I'm going to bring hope back to the people that need it the most. The people that need somebody to say, I stand for you. I'll speak into your life a positive message of growth and abundance. And it's not just words. It's not just an empty message, but it's real life. It's the reality that I live in. It's the reality that my people live in. And if you feel that this message is needed in the world today, I challenge you, please subscribe, stay connected, and share this with a friend who may need it, who may be lost, and who may be hurting. So over the next 3 minutes, I want to invite you to do something. I want to invite you to just take some time out. Find a quiet place. Maybe close your eyes and just be present. I'm going to play some music and just help you calm and just help you think. I want you to reflect on your life, and I want you to just give some space for healing and for understanding. We don't take the time often enough in this environment, in this day and age, to just sit. In such a busy schedule, one of the most powerful things I can help you do is gain greater clarity and perspective. So while I play this music, I just want you to sit in silence and think. Just be with me in the next few moments and just allow your heart and your mind to align. That's good. Just take a deep breath. Recently, I was sitting with a young man. And he had found success in the way that the world says the way the world defines success in money, in the ability to travel. And just hear this story for a second. I was sitting with this young man, and he was just so utterly lost. He was brokenhearted over a relationship. See, life was hitting him in the face. Life was telling him that you're just not good enough. That even though you found financial success, you're never gonna be worthy of it. Life was just telling him, you're never gonna make it out of the circumstance that you're in. And I spent 3 days with this guy, and I just kept pouring into him. And just kept pouring into him as he started to think and started to feel. And slowly he started to heal. After 3 days, he said, thank you for being patient with me. Thank you just for loving me. We need each other. Nothing is more powerful than a human connection. And in a world of social media, in a world of isolation where people got comfortable working from home, we lost the very fabric of who we are, which is that human connection. To give somebody a hug, to shake somebody's hand, to pat someone on the back and say, hey, great job, I see you and I recognize you. So let me outpour my heart and hand to you and say, I see you. I see you. Let me just tap you on the back and say, I see you, I feel you, I see your pain, and you are enough, even when you're alone. So just take a moment and just let this rest with you. I see you, even when nobody else does. I see you, even when nobody else does. Even in the darkest place of your mind, even in the quiet of your mind, I see you. So I see you. And guess what? You're gonna be just fine. Just like my friend, I'm here to spend time with you and mentor you and help you just grow. But it's more than just information. It's about you making a decision to see the abundance and to see the path forward. I will give you direction, I will give you guidance, and I will give you all the tools that you need to move forward. I will love on a complete stranger. Just stay connected with me. Just stay plugged in with me and just do this one thing. Subscribe. Stay with me. We're gonna keep growing together. And I want you to share this video with one other person that may need an uplifting message today. Remember, I see you. I feel you. And I love you. I hope that's okay. You are worthy exactly the way you are, regardless of the color of your skin, regardless of any other factor, regardless of where you were born, regardless of your adversity. You are valuable and you are inherently worthy. I see you. I see you. I hope that this message finds you well and that you feel empowered by this song and this conversation, and know that you are valuable even in the dark places. even if you're in desperation. So here's what I challenge you to do. If you're right now, if you're stuck, if you're just battling mental depression or circumstance, stay plugged in. Stay plugged in. Stay connected with me. I'm going to show up for you. I'm going to pour into you. I'm going to share with you everything I know, the resources, the connections, all the other incredible things that I've been using to help people for years. It's time for you to grow. It's time for you to see abundance. And I believe in you. Stay with me. Click the subscribe button and let's go on a journey together.